How to create restore point and do system restore in Windows 11. Open control panel and search for restore. Click create a restore point. To create a restore point, first enable production by selecting a drive and clicking configure. Turn on system production. Click apply and OK. Now click create. Name the restore point and click create. Now creating a restore point is in progress. Now the restore point was created successfully. How to do system restore? Open control panel and search for restore. Click create a restore point. Click system restore. System restore wizard will open. Click next. Select the restore point. Click next. Confirm your restore point. Click finish. That's all.